Hello everyone, my name is Noemi Salgado and this is my week 1 measuring assignment. By looking here, this is one of the 3 shapes that were given, which were pre-mat with the given ratios. As you can see here, this cube was broken into a 50-50 and a 40-60 here, and broken here to get the 3D shape of the cube. Moving on. The teapot here was the same thing too. It was given with the ratio of 50-50. Then right here, of this 50, it was split in 2, so it was 1.5 and 1.5. And the same thing here for the handle of the lid of the teapot. It was 1.5 and 1.5. I would say that one of the greatest things that I would need to work on is the curves. As you can see here, the curves of the handles are not perfect, but throughout the time of this class, I'll master these circulars. Moving on. This is another of the 3 shapes that were pre-mat with given ratios. So I would say that this was another hard shape because of how round it is. And something that I should work on is again on the curves, trying to get them perfectly without sketches or anything. Moving on. On this one, I had to draw a bowl with overlapping apples. As you can see, this apple here on the side has a different box than this one. This one had a box and was split in half from the width and the height. So it was split in 50-50 and 50-50 down here. And as you can see, it is not a perfect circle because apples are not always perfect circles. And as right here, the overlapping apples and the bowl is 50-50 ratio, and to get the curve down here of the bowl, I had to split it in 3, so it's 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Moving on. For this one, I had to do the same thing. I had to box the circle separate from this shape. And as this shape, this is a sphere. So it's 50-50 on the height and 50-50 on the width. Moving on. For this one down here, I had to box all of these shapes into one box. So I had to do 50-50 from here to get to this box, the line. And then from here, it's 60 out of 40. So out of all of them, I could see that there is much more progress on these ones than from this teapot.